हेलो, मैं हूँ अमन। आज फिर आपके सामने एक टॉपिक लेकर आया हूँ, जो है टेंस। टेंस इज़ एन इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. So let's discuss about the tense. What is tense and how many types of tense we discuss in this video. Tense means time. We spend our times in present, in past and in future. So we express those times in different kinds of forms. तो टेंस जो है हम वही चीज़ें अलग अलग फॉर्म में बताते हैं. तो लेट्स डिस्कस हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ टेंस. टेंस आर बेसिकली 3 टाइप्स in English grammar: present, past and future. So each tense has 4 forms, as you see in your screen, that simple, continue, perfect and perfect continue. ये 4 फॉर्म्स हैं टेंस के. So one by one we discuss about the tense. So dear students, first we discuss about present tense simple form, which is called the first form of present tense. In simple form we basically use do and does, as you see on the screen. Do and does. So do used for the plural forms and does used for the singular forms. So question is how and when it works, do and does. So do and does used in the 3 types of manners. Here I write. First is in habit, second is in routines, and third it will come in universal facts. So habit, here an example: I drink coffee. This is goes in habits, daily habits we have. And daily routines, here example with the negative form: I don't go to school on Sundays. And third one, universal facts. Universal facts is that the earth revolves around the sun. This is the universal facts. Okay, so this is about the simple tense examples. Now the most important thing, how it use. We use without the rules, it means that is wrong. So we have to use with the rule of simple form. So rule is in front of you. So first of all you have to use the subject, then verb 1 plus object. Here example: he do his work. He is the subject, do is the first form of verb, working verb. Now object is his work. Okay, so next topic is our present continue form. Dear students, now we discuss about continuous form of present tense and its rule. In continuous forms we use is, am, are plus verb 1 along with ing form plus objectives. So present continuous tense, which work is going on, which work is in motion, that is called present continuous form. कोई भी काम चल रहा है, इस वक्त में चल रहा है, तो वो कंटिन्यू फॉर्म में ही काउंटिंग होता है. तो उसमें क्या क्या इस्तेमाल होता है, व्हाट टाइप्स ऑफ यूजेस: इज, आम, आर प्लस v1 प्लस ing प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. सो वेर यू यूज इज, आम, आर, we use is, am, are with he, she and it is used with is. Then with am we use I. Then are comes with the you, they and we. It means he is, she is, it is. And in front of I we use am, I am. And are is the plural form. We use with the plural noun: you are, they are and we are. Okay, so here in front of you an example of v1 working verbs: do, go, play, read, with ing form: doing, going, playing and reading plus object. So let's discuss clearly about the example. I am reading a book. I am, okay, read plus ing, reading a book. And secondly, they is the plural form. They are playing football. Then third one, she is the third form. She is going to market. So this is about the present continuous form. Now we discuss about present perfect continuous form. So first, the rule is has or have plus been plus be1 along with ing form plus since or for. This is the rule. So you know the use of has and have, where you use has and have along with been plus b1 plus ing. So most important point is since or for. So where we use since or for. So since is used, as you seen in the screen, the since is used in the point of time. Point of time means, example, since 10 a.m., since childhood, since morning, like that. And for is used the duration or the period of time. Example, for 2 hours, for 5 years, for 5 seconds, like that. So question is, present perfect continuous form actually where and how it is used. So which work done in past and that same work is continuously in present time. जो काम हो चुका था और वही सेम वर्क प्रेजेंट में हो रहा है, that is called the present perfect continuous. Already that work continues, that is called the present perfect continuous. So I give you a clear example. It has been raining since morning. यानी सुबह बारिश हो रहा था और अभी हो रहा है, सेम वही काम अभी भी हो रहा है. That is called the present perfect continuous. It has been raining since morning. So most important thing, that since and for you should use in the proper manner. So since is the meaning, point of time, and for the duration or the period of time. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I will come with a new topic in next video. So till then, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.